Escape the hustle of Tel Aviv with these incredible day trip ideas. Discover hidden treasures, cultural spots, and natural wonders nearby.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
An expert local guide will facilitate discovery of Neve Tzedek, a charming old neighborhood nestled within the bustling heart of Tel Aviv. This vibrant area boasts a rich history dating back to 1887, when it was established as the city's first suburban neighborhood, marking the beginning of Tel Aviv's growth beyond the confines of Jaffa. Embark on an unforgettable journey from Tel Aviv, where you commence your adventure by hopping aboard a minivan early in the morning. Your route leads through the breathtaking desert landscapes of the Jordan Valley, offering panoramic views of majestic vistas as you proceed. Embark on a full-day excursion from Tel Aviv, traversing the Judean desert through the Inn of the Good Samaritan. Upon arrival, explore Jericho across the border in Palestine, one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. Tel Aviv is emerging as a prominent figure within the global landscape of street art and graffiti. This guided exploration will lead you through various streets and alleys where vibrant urban scenes unfold. Embark on a full-day guided tour from Tel Aviv to the Judean hills and the shores of the Dead Sea via bus. Your journey begins at the ancient fortified palace of Masada, which served as a refuge for zealots who fought against the Romans. Surfing has become an immensely popular activity in Tel Aviv, offering visitors an unparalleled opportunity to embrace the thrill of riding the Mediterranean waves. At Beach Club Tel Aviv, located on the picturesque Tel Aviv beachfront along the southern promenade, one can easily indulge in a one-hour surf lesson, tailored specifically for beginners and seasoned surfers alike. A guided walking tour through Tel Aviv offers insights into the city's rich history, vibrant culture, and dynamic artistic landscape. Commence your exploration by traversing Old Jaffa, renowned for its bustling flea market, eclectic art galleries, and charming alleyways.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.